Non-uniform rod EB of 3 meters long. Okay, let's put the rod here. The rod is not uniform. Okay, has a weight of 20 newtons. It is in horizontal position resting on supports at points C and D. Let us say this point is A, this point is B. C and D are 2 points. Total length is 3 meters. AC is 1 meter, AD is 2.5. So C point, let us say it's here somewhere. So AC length is given as 1 meter and AD length, so D point, let's say it's here, AD length is given as 2.5 meters. Magnitude of reaction at C is 3 times the magnitude of reaction at D. So here we will get two reactions, so RC and RD. So he is giving here the relation between RC and RD. RC is 3 times RD. RC is 3 times RD. Find the distance of center of mass. The center of mass, let us say it is here. It's not exactly at the midpoint because he is telling it is non-uniform rod. So we don't know where that center of mass will be. So let us call this center of mass as something like, not yum, will really confuse us. So let's go with O. Okay. And the distance of mass, the rod from A. So AO is the value he wants us to find. AO is the value he wants us to find. Right. So let us find AO distance is X. Total length is 3. AC is 1. AD length is 2.5. So AD length is 2.5 means this length becomes 0.5. So start. So first, of course, we need to find the RC and RD values. First, both RC and RD values we need to find. How to find RC, RD? You have to take sigma V.
Yes.
RC is acting upwards, RD is acting upwards. Then weight is 20 newtons. Weight of the plank is 20 newtons. It's acting downwards. Any other weight is given, there is no other weight. So 20 newtons. So minus 20 equals 0. Now RC, in place of RC, let us substitute RD. So 3 times RD plus RD equals 20. So RD, 4 times RD equals 20. So RD equals 20 by 4, which is 5 newtons. So once you know the value of RD, we can find RC. RC is 3 times RD. So 3 5 is 15 newtons. So now we know both values of RC and RD. Now we need to find, we need to take moments. Take moments. Moment about which point? Moment about A point. Let us take. So RC times 1, this is anti-clockwise, so plus. Then 20 times X, this is clockwise, so minus. RD times total distance, RD times AD length. AD length is given directly, that is 2.5. And this one is going in anti-clockwise, so plus. This total should be equal to 0. So 20x, send this to the other side. Then RC value, RC is 15 into 1 plus RD value, that is 5 into 2.5. Okay, so X value, find it. So I get 15 into 1 is 15 plus 5 into 2.5 divided by 20, 1.375. This is in meters. So this is the length. This is the distance x. Okay.
Yes, sir.